significance and the importance of their presence and representation here. I anticipate, and I have to use the word anticipate because it is the only way to describe what I feel.
And we're seeing outriders, so we're getting ready for another arrival.
But yes, we anticipate the arrival of
flashing lights before that red carpet.
And they have stopped at the red carpet, which does indicate that exactly what we are assuming is unfurling. Security detail has exited, rather. And so we are about to witness.
So the Royal King.
Brothers and sisters.
And now they stand for his arrival.
All the way from West Africa, Ghana. Let us welcome our special guest for Emancipation 2023, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene, King of the Ashanti Kingdom. Once again, brothers and sisters, a warm welcome. Let our brothers and sisters from the continent feel that welcome this time. With our voices, with our hands, let us welcome His Majesty.
Yes, and as you can hear from that, the Asantehene is here. King Otumfuo.
And our Prime Minister is receiving his and his entourage as they ascend the riser. The energy is
palpable, and you can hear. I mean, because we like fanfare and we like these sorts of things, but at the same time, the fact that it's coming from a different space, I think has a different sort of.
Every single phone is out recording and taking pictures at the moment. Generations, regardless, everybody is in awe of what is happening this morning.
And especially with regard to the young individuals that we were talking about earlier, if they will be able to say that they were here
when history was made. At this point, traditional dance.
And if you had a question who the Royal King is the one who was being shaded by the umbrella bearer, King Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene.
And now they will have the moment of reseating and positioning themselves on those gorgeous chairs that we were describing earlier. Not before acknowledging the presence of some of our ministers. It was a thought I had, but I also remembered that generally, we were talking about this before, a lot of our heritage may have been lost in the sense of literally lost in transition, but we will get a chance to learn whether or not this is traditional, formal way, if this is specific to the location, or if it's today because of the region being warm as well. It's going to be to find out.
Lost necessarily, you know, but systematically
Suppressed. Yep.
from us.
Yep.
So that it's not as normalized as it would have been.
Right.
In other spaces, in other territories.
Can you imagine now that it has happened, though? Now that it has been witnessed and shared with us directly from the source, what this could mean for the next bouts of celebrations, the attire, the regality of it all, because you cannot dispute how majestic and how incredulous they look. I'm looking forward to see a whole new crop of dashikis and traditional wear next Emancipation celebration.
That level of functionality.
Unmatched.
But I'll also say it seems like some of the gentlemen of the retinue wearing African brocade. They spoke about the fact that, especially African brocade, the one that is a little shiny.
Right.
Some of those fellas who wear t-shirts under because
They committed.
drunk or sober mind their business.
Yep.
Because that could be burning parts.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
See the functionality going both ways.
I love that we continue with celebrations of dance and, of course, drumming. After which we should have a few speeches specifically from, of course, the Ashanti himself, as well as our Prime Minister.
I know we have the Prime Minister, the Minister Randall Shepherd will be speaking. Yes, Asante.
And, of course, that will be the indicator for the parade to begin after these Asante speeches. But we will be hearing from a few more persons this morning simply because nothing like this has ever happened on our shores for Emancipation celebration before. And so we will make the most of it.
Brothers and sisters, we invite Elder Ikino Moyo to commence proceedings this morning with the libation.